Hey guys, what's going on? It's Letitia with Veltus Kitchen and Bath, your bathroom remodeling experts down here in South Florida. I'm back with you with another video transformation and giving you a voiceover, giving you the deets on this project. I think this one was one of the best transformations, but let's see what you think about it. All right, we're going to start off with the before. It is a bathroom that is a 5x10 master bathroom. What you see here is they had a leak, so the vanity had to be removed. That's why you see that gaping hole. There's no drywall next to the toilet. It needed to be replaced. It needed to be redone due to the leak, but it also was time for an upgrade. This was a complete gut down to the studs. So let's see what you guys think of the finished product. Look at that bathroom. Yes, that is the same space. We didn't change anything with the footprint. Everything stayed the same. But it got an exciting and well-needed overhaul with this nice look. Common hue of gray on the walls. Tile, as you notice, is from floor to ceiling, or rather from the tub up to the ceiling. And if you take a look, we used large format tiles. What that means is we used a 24 by 48, not a marble, because it does look like marble, but it's actually a porcelain tile, rectified, and the name of this tile is statuario. It's made to look like that marble. It's called statuario, but again, it's porcelain. So in most of our bathrooms, we always do that recessed niche. This time we put it towards the back of the wall, a nice rectangular look with brushed nickel finishes. As you can see, again, we love using the shootless system. That gives it a more seamless finish look. And we have a frameless shower glass door that's sliding. And where there wasn't a vanity, now we have one, and it's even beautiful. Take a look at this vanity. We have it floating with a nice vessel sink with the brushed nickel vessel faucet. But let's look at the vanity. We have 4 drawers. One of the important things in this project was our clients needed storage. So we did another tower, or the linen tower, and 4 drawers. So the first set of drawers, as you can see, it's a cutout to accommodate for the plumbing, but you still have ample amount of space for storage. The drawers, the 2 drawers underneath that, full drawers. So these are soft close and soft close full extension drawers. The vanity light, we chose this nice sleek light bar for the vanity. And as per usual in all of our bathrooms, we have the recessed light over the shower area on its own separate switch. So you can turn that on and off and not affect the vanity light, because that's also on its separate switch. Shout out to the hubby behind the camera. He and I run and own this remodeling company. And there you guys have it. Let's take another glance at the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found use for it, also, if you have anyone that you think that will be inspired and is looking to redo their bathroom, or if you yourself are looking to redo your bathroom, do not hesitate to contact us. We will help you from the design aspect all the way down to the build out. So let me know what you think about these videos. Let me know if you like the finished product. What are your thoughts on it? Comment down below. Hit the like button. Please subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos to come in the future. We appreciate you watching all the way to the end, and we'll catch you in the next video, in the next transformation. Take care, guys. Bye.